Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Shom Chaudhary and I am from Praxis Business School, PGDM1. And today I'm going to show you that how you can sort and filter out different kind of data from a large data set. So here is a data set you can see consists of four columns, five columns, athlete name, BIB number, event, route, position. And from here I'm going to filter out the BIB number, route, position based on different athlete names when giving the input of it. So let's just type athlete name here, page Lisa. So it's the first athlete name as you can see. And now I'm going to show you that how you can take out the PIB number, route and position when giving the athlete name as an input. So let's just find out the PIB number from the data set of page Lisa. It would be index. Here I'm going to use the index match function. You can also use VLOOKUP if you want. So now the array would be the BIB number. Make sure that you don't take the heading into consideration, otherwise it would be wrong. Now the match, again bracket. Now the lookup value. So the lookup value is this one, H3 cell, and then the lookup array. The lookup array is the athlete name without the heading from the data set. And then for an exact match, we need to type 0 and double bracket close, enter. So you can see that page Lisa's BIV number is 1012 and it shows me exactly 1012 here. Now, uh, just like it, we have to find out the root, and the formula would be the same. Like first of all, we have to take the array of root, and after that match function would be here. And now again the lookup array, which is based on the athlete name, and then the lookup table. The lookup table is same. From the data set, we need to take the athlete name column, and then for exact match, again 0, bracket close, enter. You can see each loop is exactly the one which is showing in the data set. And now finally, we have to find out the position. The whole thing is same what we did earlier. So here again the match function, bracket open, lookup value, comma, the lookup array, and then the 0. Here taking 0 is mandatory as it would show you the exact match. Otherwise, it will be a chaotic situation for you to find out the exact match. So make sure you type 0 before anything else. Enter, and you can see exactly the position 8. Now, what we can do is manually typing is very hard and time consuming. So we can do one thing, like we can select the page, the whole athlete name function without the heading, of course, and then go to data tab, data tools menu, data validation. You can do data validation here, and in any value, you have to see a list, and the source would be this one. The source is this one, as you can see. This one is the source. We have to make a list of it. And if we say OK, it makes us the list here. But what we need is the list here. So we will just do a Control Z and again go for the data validation one. Data validation, any value, a list we want. Then in source, we have to just use this. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, the list is here as it's coming. So we need to select it again. You can just type manually, but this can be a better option if you are going for uh, fast moving things, then list, and then in the source, this one would be the source for us. And now, okay, all right. As you can see it, here we are again in the same function. So, okay, now just do this. List, all right, list. And then for the source, this one would be the source. Table array would be the source, and okay, so done. Now, okay. You can see that we got the drop down button. So this will make your life easy, as every time you are going to change this, the BIB number, route, and position would be changing automatically. So you don't need to take much stress about it, right? But now, as I'm changing the Thornton charts or the athlete names one by one, I want it to be highlighted in the data set also. How can I do that? That's also very simple. I can just take the athlete names into the consideration, then home tab, conditional formatting button, new rule, and in new rule I have to take that format only cells that contain equals to, and now the position. Which position should I take? This one, right? And I have to go to format. I can select, I have to go to fill, and I can select any type of color I want to give it to. Then okay, okay. So now you can see it's automatically highlighted. So if I just, go to this drop down button and say page Lisa, it automatically highlighted in the data set. So it's easy for me to find out the data from the data set, as I'm searching by putting the input of athlete name and I'm searching for the BIP number, route, and position. It's better for me to look for the data set also, that where my input is actually lying. So if I select Tanner Clare, it automatically highlighted in the data set. And now I can just cross check it or audit it so that the data could be clean and clear and I don't have to worry about it much. So that's all. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoyed the video. That's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you so much.